Okay, so here's an update on the current portfolio for my swing trading hedge fund. Okay, so let's go from the top, guys. And these are all predominantly stocks. We're investing in stocks. We've got one commodity that we're currently investing in, and any of the Dow positions are purely for hedge purposes. Okay, so we're not investing in the Dow. We're actually shorting the Dow to hedge against buy positions that we are investing in stocks. So this is the first position. So this is actually, I opened this on the 23rd of October, and I think that was the week that I actually started this swing trading Telegram group. So up 55%, and that's just over 6 weeks. So an incredible return already. And this is the second stock that we invested in. Again, it's up 9%. Another stock again that we're invested in, and it's up over 35%. It's incredible. These two positions here are actually the same stock. So we took this position first. There was a bit of a pullback, so we double dipped on the buy. So we bought the dip here, and that's just unbelievable. I mean, almost 66% on one position and nearly 89% on one position. It's just incredible. Okay, this is actually a Dow position that we're hedging, and at this moment in time, what I will say is I fully expect pretty much all of the Dow positions to be in the red. Okay, because they're hedging against the stock positions, and stocks are getting pushed towards the end of the year, so we expect the Dow positions to be in the red. But what we're looking at here is eventually when we liquidate these stocks, take profit, or there's a pullback, they'll be hedged against the short Dow positions. So you can see it's like a seesaw. It's a balancing act. That's why we've got the hedges in place, because if there's a pullback in stocks, well, we've got the short positions to compensate. Okay, so that's how it works. So that's a Dow position. This is another stock that we took. We took that one on the 14th of November. It's up just over 4%. That's another Dow hedge, another Dow hedge. This is, we don't have that many stocks that are in the red, but this is one that we took on the 20th of November. It's down 1% at the moment, and we've actually got two positions. The next one on this particular stock is in the green. This is another Dow hedge again. Again, I'm expecting these Dow hedges to be in the red. You know, they're there for hedging purposes. Okay, almost 18%, 17.5%, 28th of November. Again, another stock, absolutely incredible. Another Dow hedge that we expect to be in the red. This is another stock that we took on the 29th of November. It's up almost 1%. Another Dow hedge, another Dow hedge. This is a stock that we took. Again, there was a pullback. So that other position that was minus 1%. This is the same stock. We double dipped on a buy again. So you can see how this works. Okay, this is actually a natural hedge against the same instrument. Another Dow position hedging. This is a stock that we took on the 5th of this month. This is a commodity actually that we only took up yesterday. So this is only day two. It's actually currently closed. And this is a Dow hedge that we took this morning. So you can see, guys, it's been going for almost just over 6 weeks. I think it was 6 weeks yesterday since I actually started this swing trading Telegram group. You can see that my stock picks are absolutely spot on. I mean, I think out of something like 11, is it 11? I'm losing count now, but out of all of those stock positions, there's literally two maximum that are in the red. So it's incredible. You know, as I alluded to before, my stock picks have to fall under a certain criteria. Okay, there's a certain criteria that I look for in the stocks that I pick. So a lot of work goes into actually picking these stocks and analyzing them. Okay, it's not just a case of I like the sound of that one, or I know that company. That's not how it works. You know, there's a lot of work that goes into this in the background, and you can see the results for yourself. I mean, some of these positions up over 60%, over 80% in 6 weeks. It's incredible, and it's not by coincidence, and it's certainly not by luck. Okay, because if that was the case, at least half of them would be in the red, and clearly they're not. So that is an update on the swing trading hedge fund, that I'm funding myself. And if you want to join, you know what to do, guys. Get in touch with me. We're seeing incredible results, as you can see. Again, the reason that I'm not going to tell you guys what stocks we're picking is because that's what you get when you join the community. So I'm certainly not going to start giving out free stock picks, and then there's people that are actually paying to be in the community, not in the community, in the Telegram group. Okay, so obviously we can't do that. We can't give away free information to people and then other people are paying. It's just not right to do that. So the stocks will remain a secret. I certainly won't be giving any stock picks because a hell of a lot of work goes into this, analysing in the background. And as you can see, my analysis has been absolutely spot on. So that is an update. I might do one more video before the end of the year. We shall see. This is a shorter video, short and sweet, just to show you guys how the swing trading Telegram group portfolio is progressing, and it's progressing at an unbelievable rate. If you are going to start a portfolio, guys, I've got a lot of positions there. I've got 21 positions. You've got to make sure that they are, small position sizes so that your margin doesn't get pushed. I mean, I'm using a very small percentage of my margin. I'm not taking big positions on these stock picks, and I'm taking even smaller positions on the Dow hedges. Okay, you can't take big positions when you've got this many positions in a portfolio. Okay, and I'll be adding and I'll be taking away. We'll be liquidating some of the Dow hedges. We'll take a small loss in them as expected. That's why it's almost like the sacrificial lamb. That's what these Dow hedges are for. Not all of them are going to be losses. A small amount of them will be losses, and the rest will eventually be in the green.